slowly. Till you bring. Plenty of power in 24.3 miles. All right. So we got a 305 then. 24 miles an hour. He can work it right, no doubt about it.
Good clean run. I tell you, I would hate to drop that fast because even though it's not 324, change the sled, I don't know what he can do to get this right now. But as moisture rises, dew falls or moisture rises, we'll see.
All right. Looks like we got coming up.
Where? Yup, that's the one I'm going for.
All right, this is the next break.
Which one, blue or green?
Green.
I thought you said you picked blue.
I pick blue.
I think this is the only quarter.
You confusing me.
I'm gonna pick blue. Okay?
Pass it up.
Blue.
So, blue.
Look, my turn coming right up. What are they, right before 300?